There's times in our lives that life just keeps hitting you. You know, every time you sort of get your head above the water, here comes another set of waves to pummel you. You're laying on the mat, gasping, and you don't know what you're gonna do. You didn't see it coming.
When everything says quit, what keeps you going?
When life staggers you,
While you're in it, you don't understand. You scream. You say, why did it happen to me? You become angry and defiant and feel sorry for yourself. That's going to happen to you. In time of adversity, you don't have an obstacle to deal with. You have a choice to make. Are you going to give up or get up? It really doesn't matter what has happened to you. What are you going to do about it? That's all that matters. I can become upset, nervous, tense about it, weak about it, or I can say, it's okay. You gotta make it okay.
skill can't get you past certain things. Quickness, agility can't get you. You gotta have mental toughness.
That heart, that passion, that drive, that willingness to never give up, even though we are facing insurmountable odds. The question is, can you take another step? And that answer is always yes.
And if you're going through a major challenge right now, the harder the challenge, the greater the growth. If you got real hard challenges, universe has respect for you.
The place that is dark, that is lonely, and sometimes where the pressure of life is on you, that's the place that is making you.
We need defeat. I've had my greatest ideas in my darkest nights. My greatest moments didn't come from my greatest moments. My greatest moments came from my greatest defeats, because it was during my defeat that I had to find a way to get back up.
If you can't run, walk. If you can't walk, crawl. But no matter what, keep moving.
I don't need you thinking about it no more. You're doing too much thinking. You analyze it too much. I just need you to keep moving. I need you to make up in your mind that the only way you can lose is if you quit. I just need you to keep going. You closer than what you think. You close. Hold on. You close. You about to drop out. You going too far now. Hold on. You 3 kids in. You can't quit now. Hold on. But this is my 6th time taking it. You gonna pass on the 7th. Hold on. You ought to get excited. You can shoot it in the distance. You close, boo. Don't give up now. You close, my brother. Hold on. But you better get something from all that hell you've been through. You will survive. You gonna get through it. When I get to my darkest moments, when I'm going through my go-through, when everything in the tank is gone, when I'm broke emotionally, when I'm broke mentally, when I'm broke physically, when I'm broke and I ain't got no more, you gotta make a decision at that point. I'm not going to let you go until you bless me. Meaning that we gonna do this thing all night long. You will quit before I quit. You'll give up before I give up. I will not surrender. And when that thing tells you to quit, you look at it in his eye and say, I ain't going nowhere. I will break you before you break me. You will not defeat me. You will not destroy me. And when you get to success, it's not about skill. When you get to a certain level of success, it's about stamina. It's about you won't break me. You can't take me. Because I've been broken so much. I've been defeated so much. I've been disappointed so much in my life that I know what it feels like. I can handle it. I fought too long. I fought too hard. I'm unbreakable now. Once you get to that point, you cannot be broken anymore.
Tough times never last, but tough people do. And you are tough. You're made of some special stuff.
I'm gonna get you eventually. I'm a dripping damn faucet. I just keep coming at you. You might think I'm knocked out. I just keep coming. I'm too damn tough to give up.
We may be knocked down, but we're never knocked out.
You're too close to quit now. Don't stop now. Don't quit now. Cry if you gotta cry. Hurt if you gotta hurt. But don't you stop. You can't stop because you're tired. You can't stop because you got your feelings hurt. Keep walking. Keep walking. Keep walking. You're gonna make it. You're gonna do it. You got an unstoppable fire. Come on, take another lap. Don't you stop. Don't stop walking.
Maybe you've been knocked down in your life and it seems like, hey, the fight is over. It is not over unless you quit.
Hold on. Don't you surrender now. Don't you quit now. Pain is not permanent. Pain is temporary.
If you make the decision to get up one more time, I'm telling you, you will win the fight.